everyone, this is me, Zandra Shah from the Embroider Shop. I hope you are staying home, staying healthy, but most of all staying creative. I've got a very nice little project for you, absolutely free to download from our website, embroidershop.com. Let's get that right. It's embroidery without the Y, so it's embroider, the old-fashioned shop, SHOPPE.com. So download it now from embroidershop.com. So what is this little project? We're going to make some appreciation gifts for doctors and nurses, and you can make them some badge reels. You don't need a lot of stuff to make these very cute badge reels. You can purchase the badge reels from any craft store or online. You're simply going to need some felt, some puffy foam, and you are going to stitch them on your embroidery machine, and this is how they will look. It's basically a patch design on felt, but you're going to make it into a badge reel, and I think the doctors and nurses will love this little appreciation gift that you can make them. It says Superhero 2020 on the one for men, and this one for the ladies it says 2020 just hero. This is a really fun, easy project to do, and you can make a lot of them, and there's so many doctors and nurses out there that absolutely deserve the super title of being a superhero in this very critical time. So head over to our website, download this design for free, and share this with all your embroidery friends on Facebook, in your groups. Tell them to go and download this, and I hope you're going to have some fun. I will see you later with some more projects.